Hello, assalamu alaikum friend, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting any update. So friend, today we are going to discuss about the free website, how to create the free website. So let's go to the Google. Xero.com. I have already entered this. The net is very slow. Okay, so we have reached here. I have already signed in this with my name. So that we are going to discuss about how we can use this. Okay, so what you have to do, just you have to sign in. You have to put your email address, then password, then after that your name. Start building. Okay, so what you have to do, you can insert the image here, edit image. Okay, you can, they are saying welcome to Xero. Okay friend, so you can enter here any text, anything, insert the image. Okay, you can take the picture as well. We can select this. Okay, and you can edit the picture here, add the section. You can add the section here. Okay, about me, work experience, so we can upload this. And if you want to text edit, you can edit the text as well. Okay, if you want to edit the text, you can edit the text, whatever you want to add. Okay, and if you want to remove this, you can remove as well. I am YouTuber, and in this way you can do the bold and something else, whatever you can do this. Okay friend, if you want to delete, you can delete. And you can publish your site. You have to purchase the domain and this thing. Email me, we can change this, edit it, mobile phone size and something we can use. And this is a picture we added before, and we can add the name as my channel name is how to learn. Okay, so we can do this. It's very easy to do. And also we can edit the picture. We can delete this. How we can delete this? From here we can delete. We can put here, and you can put your picture here as well. Go to profile picture. You can do the cropping. Okay, and profile picture, if you want to remove, you can remove this. And replace picture you can do. I am selecting this. Okay, it will be uploaded within few minutes. Publish site you can do. Type your name here. how to learn. So how our site will come, how to learn.Zyro. Okay, zyrosite.com. This is publishing, and you can write about yourself as well. You can see how to learn.Zyro.com, and you can also purchase the domain. It will take time. Let me discuss the further thing. Updates. This has come. So it's very fantastic. As I put I am a YouTuber, whatever you want to create for free. Okay, and add section we can do. We can go to home, we can edit the menu, we can edit the page. Okay, everything we can do here. This is very fantastic app, so must try this. And if I will do the as well for the mobile, this is for mobile and this is for PC. You can see this. I'm scrolling. It's very good. And you can go to the editor, setting, domains. If you want to purchase domain, you can purchase the domain as well. So this is very fantastic. Continue domain, get a domain, so you can do this. Okay friends, try this. It's a free website. You can enjoy this, and it's very easy to use, and you can add the section. Everything you can do easily here. If you want to do my skills, so you can put business and whatever else. If you want to delete, you can delete. You do not need any skills, just you need English, and you can try this well. And we can see there it will be updated here. Look, this is very fantastic. What was the name? How to learn dot zyrosite.com. So now you can see. Okay, if we go to the Google, and now we will write here how to learn dot Zyro site, and press the control enter, you will go there. .com. Oh, the net is very slow. Let me try once. No, net is insulting. Oof. Okay, you must try this. Oh, now we have come here. Thank you. So do not forget to like and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for getting any update.